How to enable product add-ons on Squarespace. To do that, first head over to your website and click on the pages icon. Once you're in there, we just need to add stores. So click on this plus icon right here or either on your main navigation. And from in there, click on store in order to add the store add-on and store page into our actual website. Just choose right here which part you want. I'll choose right here this one. Then after that, the page will be added. So once your store has been added and you want to enable your actual add-on, you will need to just save right here this and then head back and you can see right here all of your products. Click onto this right here and click on edit. And from in there, you just need to scroll down. You can see right here the forms, images, inventory, subscriptions, and the links. So you can choose right here this selling tools and you can see we have the product add-ons. Click onto this add and then select right here the product that can be added as an add-on. Click on apply and they will be linked right here. So head over and save this progress in order to do so. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.